In 1964, a team of scientists led by Arno, Penzias, and Robert Wilson made a discovery that would change our understanding of the universe forever. They detected a faint, uniform hum coming from every corner of the night sky. This cosmic microwave background radiation, as we now call it, is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the echo of a time when the universe was just 400,000 years old. But here's the thing. We can only see a small part of this ancient light. The observable universe only makes up about 10% of the entire universe. However, there is a limit to what we can observe. There is a point beyond which the light hasn't had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang. This is the edge of our observable universe. Does the concept of an observable universe become meaningless? Not necessarily. While we may never know what lies beyond the invisible borders of space, the mysteries of the unknown have always driven humanity's greatest scientific endeavors. And as always, thank you for watching. Who knows what wonders and discoveries await us in the vast expanse of the universe? You see, while the idea of a multiverse is popular in science fiction, it remains a highly speculative concept in the scientific community. Proponents of the multiverse theory argue that there could be an infinite number of universes existing alongside our own, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. However, this theory is not widely accepted, as there is currently no evidence to support the existence of multiple universes. According to scientists, this invisible border is around 46.5 billion light-years away. Now, the reason we can't see beyond our observable universe is pretty simple. Light takes time to travel. Most astronomers believe that the universe extends infinitely beyond our observable universe. In other words, there's no edge to space. However, some scientists theorize that the universe may be shaped like a sphere. In this model, similar to the surface of a globe, the universe would be curved in on itself, meaning that if you traveled in a straight line far enough, you'd eventually end up back where you started. This concept is often referred to as the Big Crunch, or the heat death of the universe. Since the dawn of time, light has been our primary way of understanding the universe. Everything we see, whether it's a star, a planet, or even our own sun, it's visible because light waves are emitted from its surface and then travel through space until they reach our eyes. The time it takes for us to see these objects is minimal. For example, it takes light from the sun around 8 minutes to reach Earth. But for objects far beyond our solar system, the distances are so vast that the time it takes for their light to reach us is unfathomable. And what lies beyond this observable bubble is anyone's guess. In theory, space extends infinitely in all directions. But if that's true, why can't we see anything beyond our observable universe? And more importantly, what exactly defines the borders of space? Welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the invisible borders of space. Take the Andromeda galaxy, our closest major galaxy, located around 2.5 million light-years away. This means that the light we see from Andromeda today left the galaxy over 2.5 million years ago. So when we look at Andromeda, we're actually seeing it as it was over 2.5 million years in the past. And it gets even more mind-boggling when we consider objects like quasars, incredibly luminous and distant galaxies whose light can take billions of years to reach us. This means we're seeing them as they existed billions of years ago. Now, the fact that we can see the ancient light from these distant objects is thanks to the incredible power of telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. But does the universe really end there? Well, according to our current understanding of physics, it doesn't. But what happens when we consider the possibility of infinite universes existing beyond our own? So for now, we can say that the observable universe is the only one we know for sure exists. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.